In this video we'll see how to use the switch control structure. It's very similar to the if-else case, and again I will use an integer variable and give it a value of 5. And to use the switch case, we declare the block by saying switch. Then we give it a parameter of the variable name. Then we open and close brackets, and inside we have the cases. So if it's the case that variable is 5, we display center text line, 10, and I'll name this case 1. Then we need to add the break. Then we can have another case 4. And using the switch case, we also need a default, which would be again display text line, and I'll just print default. And at the end of our code, we also need to add sleep so we can see the message. 3 seconds. So switch takes our variable, which is var, as a parameter, and we declare cases. So the first one is case that variable is 5. If it is 5, it runs the code below it until it reaches a break. And then we have case 4, which again runs the code below it if variable is equal to 4 until it reaches a break, and the default that runs if none of the cases are met. So default will only run at if none of the cases are met. So let's go ahead and compile and download the code. And we can see case 1 is printed on the AV3 screen. So we can go ahead and change this to 4. And now we see case 2 printed. And if I change it to anything else but 5 and 4, I should have the default case printed. And as you can see, default is printed. And this is how we use the switch control structure.